At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's more than one day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Today, we're not chasing horsepower or track times. We're chasing stories. We have here the Mazda Bongo Friendee. This is not a race car, but it's something that every family wished to have on the 2000s in Japan. That grew up to be what we all remember and a dream to be. Step into the interior. Look how spacious this car is. It's a room on wheels, 8 seats that fold, rotate, flatten, and somehow all make sense. The dashboard reminds you of a simpler time. Analog dials, chunky buttons, the smell of a Mazda fabric. It's practical, but it has character. Every crack and click tells a story. For families in Japan, this was the road trip machine. For us today, it's a blank canvas for creativity. And check this out. Not only does it look cool, but all the seats recline. Did you wish you had a bed? Well, you do have one now. Every single seat reclines into a bed if you ever are stranded on the road. Check this out. Do you want to take a nap? This is the perfect car for it. And so you want some privacy, you say, right? Because you're out with a girlfriend, a wife, and you're like, you know what? I just don't want any sunlight in the car. How about we put him down? And now you have privacy. Isn't that cool? Are any of these cars in the modern era? Do they offer any of this? I don't think so. It also is a camper. Do you want to see what I mean? Did anybody say you need a camper? Well, this one has a camper. This is what camping is all about, right? You want to look at the stars? Perfect view. So you get thirsty and you're up here and your partner down there wants to give you a bottle of water or something to drink. Let me show you what you're introducing to you, the hatch. Oh, here we go, thank you. Now we have something to drink. So, you were wondering, a van like this, where is the engine?
Well, that's not the engine compartment, but it does reside there. So how do you get there?
Thing you need to do is you need to remove the center console. Once that's out, you're gonna unscrew this here, and then you're gonna basically lift it up. So it's as simple as removing these two clips, one here and one here. And once that's up, this whole panel comes off, and you now have access. Last clip. Is there another one there? Nope. And as you can see now, we have access to the engine. And you might be asking yourself, oh my God, that's inside the car. That must be so hot and get so hot. Surprisingly, it does not. It keeps its cool so well, you can't even tell that the engine was heated. I didn't even know the engine was heated until I did a little bit of research. So that's pretty cool. And if you need to access the rest of the engine, here we have the battery, the air intake, and the fluids. Everything else is behind. You're thinking, well, I want to eat, right? Well, we have tables here. You want to eat with a family, you don't have to do anything. Just sit in the back seat and enjoy your tables. That's pretty cool too. It even has footrests. What other car has that? I've never seen a Lamborghini with footrests, so. So if you ask me, if this was my car, what would I do? Well, I think I'd probably put some underglow on it. I'd probably modernize the radio system, which by the way, this is an aftermarket radio, which they already did have to work. But I put some new speakers, and I don't know, I think I just put a few touches of my own to make sure that this was the right car for me. But other than that, the car is pretty sweet. On and off, this car is the coolest I've seen. Even though it's not a sports car, it is a van technically, it is an actual cool car. All the interior, all the exterior, just is a capsule of what the 90s JDM was. So if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you in the next one. By the way, if you're looking for one of these, this is for sale. Not by me, but by a friend. So leave a comment below and I might send you the details. Peace out.
It is so much fun that even my kids had a blast when I was showing them what the van is capable of doing. Even my wife was like, what is this? So it is so cool, they wouldn't even believe it.